In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom and navigate in Affinity. If you've ever felt lost on a big canvas or wanted to fine-tune a tiny element without hunting through menus, this simple approach will make your workflow smoother right away. By the end, you'll move around your document quickly, precisely, and with total confidence. Here's the core technique you'll use throughout your projects. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then use the scroll wheel on your mouse to adjust your view. Rolling the wheel forward zooms you in, and rolling it backward zooms you out. Keep Control held down the entire time you're scrolling, and when you're happy with the view, just release the key. That's it. No extra tools, no interruptions, just instant control over your canvas. A helpful detail to remember is that the position of your mouse pointer determines the focal point of the zoom. Place your cursor directly over the area you care about, like a headline, a logo edge, or a small icon, and then hold Control and scroll. The view will zoom toward that spot, so you land exactly where you need to work. If you want to navigate to another part of the layout, zoom out a bit. Move your cursor to the new area and zoom back in. Using zoom this way doubles as quick navigation without switching tools. For smooth results, make small, deliberate scrolls rather than fast flicks. Gentle increments help you stop at the perfect magnification and prevent overshooting your target. Keep an eye on the zoom level readout in the interface. Watching that number change gives you a feel for how quickly you're moving in or out. If the zoom feels too jumpy, slow your scroll and keep the mouse steady so your cursor stays anchored on your point of interest. If nothing seems to happen at first, make sure the Affinity window is active and that your cursor is hovering over the document itself rather than a panel or toolbar. Hold Control before you start scrolling and keep it pressed throughout the motion. Some scroll wheels cut in small steps, so give it a couple of notches to see the change. Use this method anytime you need clarity, checking pixel edges, judging spacing and typography, aligning shapes, or reviewing an overall layout. Zoom in to perfect the detail, zoom out to confirm the composition, and repeat as needed. All with one consistent gesture. That's the complete, reliable way to zoom and navigate in Affinity, using the Control key and your mouse wheel. Practice it for a minute, and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, faster workflow.